Okay, good morning and welcome to Two Piece en Español. How are you?
Fine, thank you. How are you?
Fine. At least I am in the picture. It looks like someone it's in pain, but no, I am not in pain. I am super happy today. Okay, today we're going to talk about sayings, refranes. And this one, it's a lovely one, I think so, because it says, no hay mal que dure 100 años, ni cuerpo que lo resista. And it's funny. Could you repeat it, please?
No hay mal que dure 100 años, ni cuerpo que lo resista.
Yeah, the meaning is mal, it's sickness or evil or problem. Okay? Durar, it's to last.
Okay.
100 años, it's 100 years. Cuerpo, it's your body. Resistir is to resist. And ni is neither.
Okay.
So it says that there is no problem that lasts 100 years. And this is the funny part. Neither body that resists that pain or
Uh-huh.
problem. So that's the funny part.
Oh my God. Okay. So, like, you're either gonna get through this or you're gonna die.
Yeah, it's I think
Saying
in English you say it won't rain forever or something like that.
it won't rain forever, or I mean, there is that saying, whatever doesn't kill you makes you stronger,
Yeah, like that.
which I feel like this has some of that vibe to it.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, I think I love it. I love this one because at the end it's funny.
Right,
But
right.
that's true when we have a problem or even when we are sick like a flu or like a cold, you say, "Oh, I am going to die," and you feel
Right.
it's forever. But no, the truth is, hopefully, it's going to pass fast or maybe not months. And it's true, your body won't resist 100 years of sickness.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's why I like this one. So I'm glad that you like it. So thank you so much and
It's
see
kind of
you
dark,
next
but
time.
right. Yeah.
Oh, also, don't forget to redeem your free trial class with us and learn this and more about Spanish and be fluent. Thank you so much. Bye bye.